Son, I'm glad you're home for the holidays, but as the men of the household, it's our job to fix things when they're broken.
Dad, we don't need to live this way anymore.
Is that the way I raised you? Now, hand me that screwdriver.
Dad, seriously, I don't think you should do that.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
Just call ROLAIR.
ROLAIR?
ROLAIR, plumbing and heating, 24/7 service, even during the holidays. They care more.
When it's quality you need and rockstar service you want, call ROLAIR Plumbing and Heating. They really do care more.
Yeah, we do care more.
You're such a dork.